Good morning, this is Firela from anyhousecleaning.com, and if you are a new owner or a cleaning company, this information it will be really good to have. Aristocrat cabinets. We have today a new construction cleaning, and the homeowner upgrade the house and put a new flooring. There will be fine dust all around the cabinets, the kitchen, windows, walls, baseboards, everything. I'm gonna show you later, and I'm gonna post some information in our Facebook page, Any House Cleaning, and some videos on YouTube. Right now, I'm gonna show you if you're a homeowner or a cleaning company how to do it. Most people know that a damp microfiber cloth with damp water and then a dry microfiber cloth will clean a new cabinet. But let's see what the manufacturer requires and what the manufacturer tried to tell you to avoid, what products you can use in those cabinets to maintain the warranty of 5 years or more. So in this case, this house in Dr. Phillips has Aristocrat cabinets, and that brand has a web page and a resource link with frequent questions, especially how to clean. So let's see. Cabinets frequently asked questions, and we are looking for cabinet care and maintenance right here. Okay, care and cleaning page information on how to maintain your new cabinet, right? Okay, this is the homeowner guide, and they send you to another web page with another brand that is master brand. And here is an interesting video that I want to share with you.
In order to keep your cabinets looking beautiful and new for years to come, you'll want to give them proper care. Here are some basic cleaning tips. A soft cotton or microfiber cloth dampened with warm water is usually sufficient to clean your cabinets. Wipe up spills as soon as you can to make it easier to clean surfaces. If more thorough cleaning is required, you should use a fresh solution of mild hand dishwashing liquid mixed with warm water. Avoid using the following products as they may damage the surface of your cabinets. Harsh detergents, strong soaps, or abrasive cleaning products. Abrasive sponges or dishcloths. Solvent-based or petroleum-based products. Ammonia, bleach, silicone-based cleaning, waxing, or polishing products. After cleaning your cabinets, dry immediately using a soft, clean cloth. Any moisture left on the cabinet's surface can cause permanent damage to the finish if neglected. Avoid placing small kitchen appliances where heat or steam is directed onto the cabinetry surface, as this could cause permanent damage. For scratches, gouges, and nicks, a touch-up kit is recommended. To acquire one, contact the place of business where you purchased your cabinetry.
So you have all the information that you need to know how to maintain your cabinets or your windows or your granite counter for the kitchen. You always need to go to the manufacturer brand and look for the page of resources, frequently questions, care and maintenance or cleaning. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and you can check our website. Let me show you. We are multi-service cleaning service that we do residential and commercial, new construction, post-remodeling cleaning. You can see a lot of videos on YouTube and our view business video or learn about more about us, post-remodeling cleaning, new construction cleaning. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and you can also check our webpage or Facebook or YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.